Is Kraken a safe exchange? It's a question that echoes across forums, whispers in crypto communities, and sits at the forefront of many new investors' minds. In a world where digital assets can vanish with a single hack and platforms rise and fall with alarming speed, the security of your chosen exchange isn't just a concern, it's paramount. We've all heard the horror stories, the Gox collapse, the Quadragasi X fiasco, the countless smaller hacks that leave individuals financially devastated. These aren't just cautionary tales, they're stark reminders that the crypto landscape, while incredibly promising, is also fraught with peril. So, when you're looking to buy, sell, or trade your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there, how do you differentiate between a fortress and a house of cards? How do you ensure that the platform holding your hard-earned digital wealth is, in fact, secure? Today, we're diving deep into one of the oldest and most respected names in the cryptocurrency space, Kraken. Founded in 2011, Kraken has been a consistent presence throughout the tumultuous history of crypto, weathering numerous bear markets, regulatory shifts, and technological advancements. But longevity alone doesn't equate to safety. So, in this comprehensive exploration, we'll be dissecting Kraken's security measures, regulatory compliance, operational history, and user experience to answer that burning question: is Kraken a safe exchange? Let's begin by understanding what constitutes safety in the context of a cryptocurrency exchange. It's not just about preventing hacks, although that's undeniably a massive component. Safety encompasses a multi-layered approach, including robust cybersecurity infrastructure, adherence to regulatory frameworks, transparent operational practices, and a demonstrated commitment to user protection. Without these pillars, even the most technologically advanced exchange can crumble under pressure. First and foremost, let's talk about Kraken's cybersecurity. This is often the first line of defense, and Kraken takes a no-compromise approach. They employ a combination of hot and cold storage for their digital assets. The vast majority, typically around 95%, of client funds are held in cold storage, which means they are offline, disconnected from the internet, and therefore immune to online hacking attempts. This cold storage is geographically distributed, further mitigating risks. For the small portion of funds kept in hot wallets for operational liquidity, Kraken utilizes advanced encryption, multi-signature authentication, and continuous monitoring. Their systems are subjected to regular penetration testing by independent security experts, mimicking real-world attack scenarios to identify and patch vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. Furthermore, Kraken boasts a dedicated security team that works around the clock, implementing real-time threat detection and rapid response protocols. They also have a bug bounty program, incentivizing ethical hackers to report any vulnerabilities they discover, fostering a collaborative approach to security. Beyond their internal security measures, Kraken emphasizes strong account security for its users. They offer a comprehensive suite of tools, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, using a variety of methods like Google Authenticator or YubiKey, which is highly recommended for all users. They also provide PGP/GPG encryption for email communications, ensuring that sensitive information exchanged between Kraken and its users remains private. Login attempts, withdrawal requests, and significant account changes are all subject to stringent verification processes and email confirmations, acting as additional layers of protection against unauthorized access. They also implement withdrawal lock features, allowing users to temporarily disable withdrawals from their account for added peace of mind. Now, let's shift our focus to regulatory compliance, a critical aspect of an exchange's trustworthiness. The cryptocurrency space is notorious for its patchwork of regulations, but Kraken has consistently prioritized operating within legal frameworks across various jurisdictions. Kraken Incorporated is a U.S.-based company, registered as a money services business, MSB, with FinCEN, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, in the United States. They also hold various licenses and registrations in other countries where they operate, including a virtual currency license in New York, BID license, and registrations with financial intelligence units in other regions. This commitment to regulatory compliance means Kraken adheres to Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering (AML) policies. While some users might find KYC procedures a bit intrusive, they are crucial for preventing illicit activities, fostering a more legitimate ecosystem, and ultimately, protecting users from fraud and scams. Kraken's proactive approach to regulation demonstrates its long-term vision and commitment to operating as a legitimate financial institution in the digital asset space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.